So new year and it's time to treat your phone with new Android update. So finally Sony is now rolling out the official Android 10 update for the Sony Xperia XZ2, the XZ2 Compact, the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium and the Sony Xperia XZ3. So that's the screenshot from the person who got this update. As you can see, the size of the update is around 800 megabytes and it has this version number. And as for the features, you'll be getting all the basic Android 10 features that you get on any other Android 10 update, including the new system-wide dark mode, some new privacy and location improvements, and there will be a new navigation gestures. But I think some people are reporting that the launcher on their devices didn't update so that they cannot access the new navigation gestures. But I think Sony will fix this in its future updates, so you don't have to worry about it. But other than that, it's a staged rollout and it will take some time for the update to hit your device depending upon which variant you have and in which region you are in. Maybe you'll get the update notification within a week or so. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the update. Give this video a thumbs up, comment what you guys think about it, subscribe my channel for more further and future updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.